Marisa, and thank you, Hao. Welcome, everyone. We are very excited to have this workshop too. And today's session will be a very hands-on session. But first, let's review all the questionnaire you filled out for the workshop too. We sent out this question like several days back, and we got a pretty good response. Like 80% of our participants bought the Raspberry Pi kit and had that ready. And only 50% is have the internet access set up. And today we'll help you to go through the steps to set up the Wi-Fi and internet connections. And most of you haven't tried to install the Proton Machine Python packages, and we'll include this part in today's workshop. And last question is about all the hardware components. Have you started Raspberry Pi and connect them? We have 60% already done that, and the rest haven't done that. I think Felix, in Felix's session, he will introduce the hardware part and walk through how to set up that. We have some additional questions about how, if you haven't received the starter kit, don't worry, we will record today's session, and we have a very rich reference and videos available on our CIE website. You can go there after you receive the starter kit, and you can try to install by yourself. And the server motor is not needed for today's seminar. We just need the Raspberry Pi ready. If you have that, you can work through with us and try to install everything. And for calibration tricks, that's more advanced question. I think I will address that in the software install session. Without further ado, I would like to pass the control to Felix Miao.